Today I have something a little bit different for you. It's a townhouse style condominium with a super convenient location in the middle of Gresham. Let's go check it out. Located in a beautiful park-like setting, the Bull Run condo community is so quiet and so peaceful that you forget you're in the middle of Gresham, which, by the way, is currently one of the best performing real estate markets in the Portland metro area. You definitely get a lot for your money in this community. There's an outdoor swimming pool, a clubhouse, tons of guest parking, and even a private lot to store your recreational vehicles. Inside, you'll find a flexible floor plan, which could function as a 4-bedroom home or as a 3-bedroom home, plus a large den or family room. There's also a large outdoor private patio for summertime entertaining. And the sellers here have done a lot of updating, including fresh paint, fresh carpeting, and some new appliances. So check out the link included with this video for details on the next open house or to reach out to me to schedule a private viewing. I look forward to showing you this versatile home in a truly charming setting. It's definitely a smart buy.